We are the Awaken family from the Philippines. Back in 2021, we made one of the biggest decisions of our lives. We left our corporate jobs to focus on our little family and follow our dreams. During the pandemic, we bought a van and converted it into our tiny home on wheels. Since then, we've spent the past few years renovating, camping, and traveling. Our intention is to travel around the country, soak up the great outdoors, and share this incredible journey with you. Join us on our family adventures.
Why would you look outside yourself when you have all of the world inside?
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's Kitanglad Range, guys.
So guys, andito kami ngayon sa Malaybalay City. And going kami sa plaza kasi susundin namin yung guide namin because we're going to hike. Di ba, Samit? Yeah. So we're on our way to Malaybalay Plaza.
We're going to hike the Sabangan Trail.
Hello! Si Sir John, Earl, tayo sa si Space o si Sammy. Hello, baby.
This is our guide for today.
Ayan sa mga balay.
Is it swimming where?
Carabao, oh, lalag.
Ay, nada sa ubos.
Oh, the Carabao is there.
Look! So, we just need some time kay magpapak pa kami. Hindi pa nakapagpak. Tsaka pa lang kami magpapak.
Yeah.
You change your shirt, come here, come here. Are you ready, Spacey boy? Yes!
Yes.
Say, we're gonna hike!
We're ready to go!
Hike. And we're ready to go.
Yeah, we're very excited kasi this is our first time na explore to na
Location. Oo. So actually, ang daming campsites dito na area, no? But dito nang pili namin kasi may river, may water source. And it's very convenient kasi we are hiking with kids. So we are so excited to explore.
Yeah, so let's go guys, let's explore.
Let's go. So medyo excited kami kasi dun daw sa mismong campsite, meron silang river and then ang dami daw pine trees. Yung kids gustong-gusto nilang mag-swimming. Ayan, start na yung pine trees dito. Fish? There's no fishman here.
Why?
Because it's a mountain.
Dead fish na?
Dead fish?
Yes.
No.
So napakaganda ng tanawin dito kasi yung nasa likod is puro pine tree. And nung una daw, mas marami pang pine tree. Kaya lang dahil sa nasunog nga.
Nagka-forest fire like a few years ago. Ang daming nasunog na pines.
So nice.
Madami daw dun sa campsites. So, ayan. Okay. Are you done? Let's go. You can pass.
Oh, it's so cloud. There's a lot of snakes here, I think.
Yung feeling na you're tired but yet the view is so rewarding. We can hear the river.
Yes, we can hear it.
Yeah.
Parang malapit na kami. There's a
There's a river.
Yeah. I think we're gonna cross that river. Go, you can do it.
Kids aren't as fragile as we often believe. Helping them develop body awareness and encouraging functional movement is one of the greatest lifelong gifts we can give them. It's not just about our adventures, it's about teaching our kids to move with confidence and discover the incredible things their bodies are capable of through physical literacy. Together, we're building resilience, strength, and confidence that will carry them through life.
We're almost there.
Oh, sige.
Just a few steps away. So we have two campsites here. Ito yung first. And yung another one is nasa taas pa. So we've decided na doon
Yeah.
sa taas. Kasi mas maganda daw doon. Ang daming pine trees. But before that, kailangan namin i-cross yung river.
I've learned that just because your kids won't remember something does not mean it is not forming who they are in deep and profound ways. In fact, those years that you don't remember are some of the most very informative years of your life. So you may not remember that you went camping or traveling, but your comfort zone was permanently expanded. I think often we use like they won't remember as a dismissal of the entire experience, whereas it couldn't be anything further than true. That is where your brain is most malleable and changing the most. That's why adventures are a big deal of that age.
Very sleepy na si Ace. So pupunta lang kami sa water source. Medyo distansya kasi. Para makaligo and then to get some water. Yeah. You excited to take a bath?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yun, gising na si Space. Wakey boy. Wakey boy. Space, wakey boy. Let's play their Space ta. Let's run.
Let's change the airplane.
Let's run there.
Water.
Water? Okay, drink water.
Number water. Hapon.
Look at your kakao.
Hey, Kaka, what are you doing? Yeah, you can climb na kita anak.
I'm here.
Space, look at the moon, Space, oh.
We're stood in the moonlight. It's something sweet. Let it wash over all of me. With you I form my company. Forever close to the unknown. There's no doubts and no regret. Happy before we get another day to do it all again. Oh, throwing open all the curtains wide. Oh, not gonna miss a thing.
So we just woke up. Nakatulog kami ni Ace kanina pagdating namin. And pagkatapos namin mag-set up ng tent. So medyo mabigat na pala siya. Sabi ko kay Earl, parang sakit na. Sakit ng shoulders ko. Mabigat na niya.
Ang ganda dito, no?
Hindi ako
Kasi ang
nag-wasip
luwag
eh.
ng campsite nila.
Oo. Ito yung nasa top na campsite. Meron din silang campsite dun sa river. So as you can see, napalibutan siya ng pine trees. And what's great
Ng view.
is,
Ng magandang view.
magandang view din.
Doon, maraming Pinterest na site. Yeah, right. Yeah.
What's great is kung may kids ka, very
Yeah.
safe lang siya kasi totally flat talaga yung ground.
Mm.
Huwag lang sila pumunta doon kasi
May cliff.
cliff na papuntang river.
Yeah, may river na dyan sa baba, right?
Oo. And nakakatuwa guys kasi even if weekday ngayon, it's, ano ba tayo ngayon? Thursday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday, sorry. May mga families na nag-camp and it's just so beautiful to see na alam mo yung iba talaga if you're doing stuff together, diba? Ay, may cowboy. Na-distract ako sa cowboy.
Wow, may cowboy. Uy, may cowboy.
Wow, there's a cowboy space.
Space, oh, there's a cowboy.
Wow.
Wow.
There's a horse.
Yeah. Horse?
Tsaka lang namin na-realize while we are unpacking our stuff na hindi pala kami nakadala ng kumot. So, let's see kung anong sitwasyon
Hopefully
natin
later
mamaya.
hindi mainit.
Maliligo sana kami ng river.
Let's take a bath na lang kaya. Kasi meron silang ano dyan, no? Source from the mountain. Water source from the
Maliligo
mountain.
sana kami ng river kanina kaso nakatulog kami ni Space. So, probably bukas na lang. Ito pala yung tent namin since mas malaki yung tent ni John.
Nag-swap na lang kami.
Nag-swap na lang muna kami. And yung tent na to, ang dami ng bukid na napuntahan. Papunta na ng Apo. Ano ba yun? Kalatungan Ouija. Nag-Ross na bukid. Saan pa ba? Basta ang dami na. Nung wala pa yung mga bata. And we are so happy that we can still use it now. Kaso nga lang, di na kami kasha. So we need a new tent.
Yeah.
Seven, 8, 9 daw.
Tinola, and this one is adobo. Kalame. Ha? Nag-vision na ka?
So, falling star.
Oh, yun.
Tigatan ako atong plane. Di kalit naglabay ang falling star.
Ang liwanag ng moon. See?
We saw a falling star.
Yeah?
Yeah, we saw a
That's it.
Hali.
yeah.
May manay ka muluto dyan.
Night.
Good night.
Lights.
Ay, lights. Ay, ako ang lights. Good night.
Good night. Mama is
Good night sa amin.
Yeah, good night, mommy. Good night, mommy. Good night, guys. Good.
Good morning guys. Uminit na. Sun is up. Kagabi, hindi masyadong malamig. But nung umulan, biglang after ng rain, di ba? Biglang
Ginamit na
napakalamig.
lang namin yung, ang tawag dito, sheet.
Yeah.
No, this is actually a sleeping bag. Pero ginagawa namin cover. Buti na lang ang soft ng foil. Kasi nakalimutan
Merong foam yung foil
meron
natin.
siyang foam at saka soft. Hindi yung typical foil na mainit. Tsaka it helps kasi sobrang lamig kagabi.
Tingnan natin yung ano.
Nakalimutan namin yung kumot namin. So buti na lang komportable pa din. Tulog na tulog sila.
Yung EcoFlow doon natin is powering our Starlinks since kagabi.
Nakakatuwa yung kapitbahay namin na campers.
And it's around 35 na lang. 34%. Buti lang talaga may light itong ano, EcoFlow.
Oo,
Kasi kagabi hindi tayo nakadala pala ng light. And whole night yan lang yung ginamit natin.
Isa pala din yun sa naka-drain sa kanya.
Oo.
Na-consume ng battery.
Yeah. Spacey boy, where are you going?
Wow, what a beautiful view. Oh no, what's that?
Is that you?
There's our... Kami nag-expect na grabe.
Tingnan mo yung view.
Na,
No more what?
Number horse na.
The horse is still very far. How's your first night in that tent?
They're camping pata.
Huh? Camping?
They're camping.
Hey Zubura, thanks for the sweater.
Yeah.
Baby daddy. Baby daddy, oh.
What a nice morning. So yeah, good morning. And I'm just really grateful today kasi parang bumalik sa akin yung mga ginagawa namin noon for climbing mountains, and it's overwhelming na grateful na ngayon kasama na namin si Space and Summit and we're able to do these things together.
Oh, slow living can be life-giving, although we might disagree. If most our lives are lived in black and white, it makes the gray so hard to see. The same old people, the same old steeple.
That's your chair?
On every corner.
Look at Kaka's chair.
Half a mile, but nothing changes. And ain't it strange that we didn't notice as a child? That's
Pizza.
Yun siya, look mama, pizza.
Yeah, looks like a pizza.
It looks like a pizza.
Pizza, mama. Kaya.
So yung ulam namin ngayon, chicken loaf, lumpia, chicken lumpia, tapos ampalaya with egg. Yeah. You hungry, Amit?
A dog is sleeping.
They're
And
the
why
one.
they don't lie down?
They don't lie down because they're a tree. And trees are the ones giving humans oxygen so we can breathe properly. So kagandahan talaga pag may portable ka na power station. In places like this, you can just bring it and then you can work. Kasi yung concern namin before, kung mag-hike kami sa mga ridges or mountains na ganito, wala talagang signal, like totally zero. Walang data signal, so you cannot use LTE or 5G. Right now, we can bring our Starlink since we have a portable power station, which is great.
Yeah. And the weight is just 4.7 kilos, right? So, hindi siya ganong mabigat.
Oh, it's a baby praying mantis fish.
Praying mantis.
It's a baby.
Yeah.
Catch it.
Touch it.
No,
Last time when we were camping, you saw a big one, right?
Yeah.
That one is it's a tiny praying mantis.
It's on your neck, na anak.
Is it ticklish?
Do you want me to get it? Yeah.
Oh, it fell.
No, it's on my hand na. Let's put it in the leaves na lang. So So we are packing our stuff kasi pupunta kami sa river. We're gonna take a bath in the river space. Yeah!
Oh, what are you doing there? Say thank you, Tito Jet and Tata Long for giving this to me.
Talaga to take a video. It's too close, don't you think? Are you excited to swim in the river space?
Yes.
Yes.
Swimming.
The river is here.
Oh, swimming.
River so nice.
Oh no, we got fish swimming.
Carabao swimming daw.
Golden days drifting far away. Light is leaving town. Colors fade, but I'm thinking we stay just for a little while. Let's lose track of time. Darling, stay for a little longer while I hold your time. We'll wait, so just rest your head upon my shoulder. Nothing in our way is colder, but the day's not over yet. Summer nights.
They call this sabangan because in this part nagmi-mix ang water galing dyan at dito, and according to the locals, ang ibig sabihin ng abang is a local dialect na nagmi-meet ang dalawang river. So this river is cleaner than this river kasi itong river na to merong doon barangay. Dito is from the mountain. This river, this body of water is coming from the mountain.
There.
So nice. The water so nice.
Yeah. It's super clean.
Yeah, the water is super clean, right?
Ang sarap pa sanang maligo, but we need to go kasi parang mag-almost 8, I think past 8 AM na. And then we're not even sure kung same si Summit ngayon. Sana kakayanan pa din pa uwi. So see you on the
It's
trail.
getting hotter na, yeah.
See you on the pass na kami ng river.
We're going back to the van.
Yes, we're going
So
back
goodbye, Sabangan. Back to the van.
Are you excited?
So meron silang mga rubber trees dito.
Ang daming rubber trees.
Ganito pala yung pag-harvest ng rubber tree. That's how they get the rubber tree, anak. That's the rubber. Ay, no! Ayaw na.
They chop it to get the extract from the rubber.
They're gonna use it, man, anak.
See? That's how it looks, diba?
It's right there.
Your shoes is made of rubber, Summit.
Yeah. Let's go.
It's cool. Are you okay?
Yes.
Say, let's go. Yeah. There's a great Summit. But he doesn't want to get wet, so what do you think we will do? Okay, hold Kuya. Step on the big rock and transfer to another dry one. Wala galing na ni naagyan gapon.
Wala. Ay, di Huwag tail.
Ha? Ay, lagi.
Rest muna. medyo mabigat na yung dala ko. So sinintay sila Taiza kasi hindi pa sila dumadating. So malapit na kami. Yeah, there's a shade.
Ang haba ng open trail. Sabi niya, where's the shade? Finally, this is the shade, Summit. I'm so proud of you. Oh, okay, take a rest.
How about space?
Sige, nag-ingon. Let's go.
Space, sorry, space.
You need water to hydrate, Summit.
Okay?
It's so great, guys, kasi through these adventures together, he's building resilience. So, ayun, nakakatuwa lang siyang tingnan. Kasi before talagang medyo mahirap eh. Pero ngayon he's getting used to it. Kahit na kanina, even if he's really tired, like yung yung legs niya nagsishake na, he's still walking.
Uy. Good job, my boy.
This time namin di siya nagpa-carry.
Yeah.
He's getting stronger.
Yeah, you're getting
if he's
stronger
tired, we're
and
just
stronger.
gonna rest. Right? Rest lang.
So yeah, one thing we like about this power station, the EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus. So ginamit namin siya whole night, so 21% na lang yung ano niya, battery life. And now that we're here, we're gonna continue using it. And pag ipa-plug natin siya dun sa ating extra battery, let's see what will happen. And yan, it's back to 74%.
We have 74%. Planning to go to Kaamulan. So yun nga, drop by lang kami sa any nearby cafe and we can just charge this, diba? In case.
So samahan nyo kami guys, we're going to Kaamulan.
We'll see. Good job, Summit.
Good job, anak. I'm so
But
proud
first,
of you.
let's clean up this mess.
Yeah.
Okay, before we can go. Let's go, let's pack. So ayan, it's time for us to clean up. After each hike or after each trip, usually gulo talaga ng van. So since we are transferring to another location, we're not sure saan pa kami pupunta, but probably Kaamulan. Tignan muna namin doon. Kasi kaka-start lang ng Kaamulan eh. We're not sure kung madami ng stores.
Since we're done hiking, we're going to
Kaamulan.
Kaamulan, Kaamulan, Kaamulan. Let's go!
Fill muna kami ng water.
Start.
Iba nagbi-build pa, but mostly yung mga restaurant sa front tapos na. So let's explore ko ano yung mga food nila dito. Ay, truck na kapihan.
Truck na house.
Let's see. Ano yan? That looks interesting. Ay, is it open na?
I think so.
Hindi pa, I think.
Una lagi yun. Ay, kuhan sa sulod.
Let's go there. So we're here na in the Kaamulan grounds. Nagbumili na lang kami ng food. We have here, ano to, adobo and
Beef tapa.
beef tapa. And I'll go out with Summit to find some food for us.
Yeah. It's time for Van Life Hack of this episode. So, ang Van Life Hack namin ngayon is this one. Instead of using plates, bowls na talaga, malalaking bowls na ginagamit namin. Kasi, it's much easier, especially double purpose na kasi sa, diba, lalab. So,
If you need soup.
kung may soup, dito na lahat. Tapos, pag nagpe-feed kami kay Summit, like ganyan, much easier siya. And hindi na kami mag-a-add ng, mas malaki kasi yung space ng, yung plate.
Yes, and if you're traveling in a van, you really want to minimize your things inside. So, multi-purpose na siya.
Yeah. And, so yeah, we're not using plates here in the van. Bowls na talaga lahat ngayon na gamit namin.
Okay, that's our van life hack for this episode. Withdraw muna kami kasi wala na kaming cash. And lahat dito cash transaction. Let's go, let's go. Ice cream. It's Mama Shake, avocado shake. Let's go back to the van. Come. Papa's ice cream is melting now. Let's go. Hold my shake. Happy boys.
Happy dogs.
Mura lang yung nila dito. This one, avocado shake, 69. Yung ice cream nila is only 20 pesos. Yung homemade ice cream. We're all awake. Should we go outside now?
Except Papa.
Except Papa. Papa is awake.
Your space.
Are you ready to go out?
Yeah.